Hey, I'm Duncan from the Dan Plowman team. Welcome to 1790 Finch Avenue, Unit 26, located in Pickering. This 3-story townhome is situated on a corner lot backing onto green space. It features 3 beds, 3 baths, and a large living space. You'll enjoy cooking in this modern kitchen, or even a meal out in your own private backyard. Close to the 401 and shopping, you don't want to miss this one. Give us a call today.